So good. Bango.
Like 5,400. Okay, let's see what's open. Tignan natin kung legit ito. Beautiful. Oh, Jordan. Number 23. Oops. Let's see. Let's open. There's a resibo. Let's see. Whoa. Really? Okay. Guys, this one is a Air Jordan Low, size 8. It's legit, guys. Peace. So, ipakita sa inyo na legit talaga siya. Look at this. Look at this, guys. So good. There's the beautiful. Meron ito siya, and then this one also order kasi legit sila. Now tingnan, nakita ko ang legit talaga sila. So ito, i-open ko na. I want to show it to you guys. Kasi cellophane pa yan, no? Beautiful. Yan, I love it. Yan, may ano sa ano. Yan. Oh, beautiful. Yan. See, color. Look at that one. Beautiful. Okay. So good. Bango. Ito siya. This one. And there's also resibo. Okay. So, thank you guys. I'm happy. Peace.